Yo, 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 yo! Trade, trade recap. This is as far as it goes. Um, win. You can call it an undefeated week, but it's not really an undefeated week. Monday was a bank holiday. Tuesday, no trades presented itself to me to take a trade. Wednesday, I took a tinsy loss and then a win. Thursday, the trade presented itself to me 7 minutes after I left the charts to go to work. But Friday, I took a little loss and then a win. And they're identical trades. It was pretty stupid. You'll see what I mean. Let's get right into this. So, well, let's just get rid of everything. Yes, before market open, this candle was still forming, whatever you want to call it. NQ, same situation. 4 hour, there's not a lot of them over here. There's because we've already come down. So on the 15-minute, I was just using this mainly. We had an hourly, sorry. So on the hourly, we had hourly highs up here, hourly highs here, and highs up there. NQ, hourly highs here, low resistance highs there. Pretty simple stuff. We've marked out all of these highs and then these main highs up here that I wanted to see get taken out. We had news, jumped the gun a bit, we had news with NFP. NFP happened here and here. NFP candles, these highs weren't relevant. Sorry about that. We were up here when I got on the charts. And I was like, right, okay. We got the next set of highs, these 15-minute highs, these hourly highs, these 4-hour highs. ES, same thing. NFP pushed up through here. We were here when I got on the charts. Okay, we had these 15-minute highs, these hourly highs, and these 4-hour highs. As you can see, 15-minute highs, 15-minute highs, hourly highs, 15-minute highs, hourly highs. What happened? Also, I had marked out data lows, 15-minute lows, hourly lows, I believe. Oh no, hourly lows, 4 hourly lows, yes. And also we had a 15-minute imbalance in line with this 15-minute imbalance with a 15-minute BPR here. As you can see, overlapping imbalances that I have marked out as something where price could draw to as well. NQ, same thing, 15-minute imbalance, bing, bang, bosh. Right, so what happened? Market opened on ES and we got legs up. 1 minute quickly just to show. We got legs up. We took out that Swift. Hey, where's my Alexa come on?
Here is what I found from TheVerge.com.
Alexa?
Alexa is currently available in the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Japan, India, Ireland, Canada, and France.
Anyway, price opened, ES pushed up, took out those 15-minute draws, took out those hourly draws. That's the important thing here. ES grabbed these hourly highs, NQ, hourly highs, get rid of those. Doesn't matter either. Hourly highs, as you can see, 13:14 of yesterday, 1-2 p.m. ES, 1-2 p.m. Boom. Swept them. SMT. Of course, for this SMT to be valid, we have to wait for the high to be formed. Move up then and move down on the 5-minute. NQ. It was there anyway. But similar you can, yeah. There's an SMT. ES took the high, NQ didn't take the high. Which means, where do we trade on? We trade on ES because ES is the one that is the lagging index. It's made the higher high. NQ's made the lower high. Bob's your uncle. So, at this point, I was kind of hesitant on taking a short because NQ had come down, filled this 15-minute imbalance and this as well. So I was hesitant on shorting because ES was not getting that leg down as quick, as you can see. This is the first 15-minute candle for NQ. This is the first one for ES. It's obviously lagging, which is the SMT. The SMT shows the lagging index, so we trade on ES. Now, before market open, I was like, right, if we come up and we take out these highs, we'll get a 5-minute retrace, move down, target around here. If we come into here first, we'll get 1 minute confidences back up to here. Pretty simple stuff. That's what I said to myself as market opened. If we come into here, we're 1 minute trades up to here, come up to here, then 5 minute retrace, boom, bang, bosh, bosh, bosh. ES swept the high. Cool. That's a high time frame high. What are we waiting for? High time frame retrace. Boom. Get the leg down. We get a bullish close back up again. That is my 5 minute retrace. We've had a 5 minute candle in the opposite direction that we want to take a trade. Simple stuff. Now I can sell into the 1 minute and look for executions. That 5 minute candle closed at 9:45. So any trade after 9:45 is valid. 9:45 is in fact this candle here. Now I took a bit of a preemptive trade here. I saw on, this is a bit of FOMO as well. So we had the 1 minute break of structure. We had the 5 minute retrace. And I was like, yeah, cool. 1 minute fair value gap, 1 minute order block, this entire move up that swept liquidity. And then 5 minute equilibrium from the low, the high, to the low. We get wicks into it. We get a bearish close out of the imbalance and out of that. I entered there once that candle closed. And I had my stop at this candle here. Now this was pretty silly. It should be that candle close, or that candle that made that imbalance. Because this candle, and this candle makes the imbalance. I put it there like a fool. And this trade got stopped out. We lost $300 on this trade. Pretty stupid of me. Pretty stupid. Too tight of a stop loss, and we've learned that. We had it like here. Pretty silly stop loss. So next time I will learn. I mean, even there was fine. But just putting it there. And it still would have been, as you can see, a 1.55 risk to reward. We could have targeted lower as well to make that RR a little bit better. But it's fine. We didn't do that. We lost 300 on the first trade. And then I was like, right, okay, silly muppet. We've fully come up and filled this imbalance now. We've got a bearish close out of all three confluences, fair value gap, order block, and equilibrium on this candle here. I tried to enter on that candle close. We get filled here. Stop went just above this fair value gap now because realistically, we're not going to come back up again. Realistically, it should be a bit safer, but I did take a loss on this trade, so I put as tight a stop again. And we push down. We invalidate this imbalance. I move my stop to break even after that candle closed. Just have a completely risk-free trade, and we chop up a bit, and then we sell off right to our TP. One and only TP here, 2.19 RR on the second trade, made $712. Overall, I think this is a pretty good week. We were disciplined, we were patient, we made a few tiny errors this week, which can be resolved going into next week. It is unfortunate. The errors that we made on NQ made that stupid little trade when we should have been waiting for a 5-minute retrace, and today was just a poorly placed stop loss. Next time it goes at the base of, or the top, whatever you want to call it, of the first candle that caused the imbalance, not the actual imbalance candle. That is a mistake on my part. That was not a sensible stop loss. So we can learn from that. This trade, I think, was good. We had our overall direction. NQ at this point was already in that 15-minute imbalance as well. I said I was kind of hesitant, and I was seeing legs up on NQ. But that was our 5-minute retrace. We did get a 1-minute break of structure, and we filled this 1-minute imbalance, but I didn't long, so I'm not a fool. And I was thinking as this was forming, I hadn't took the short yet, and I was like, right, if this candle closes above, then yeah, sure, I'll long NQ and get out of my short position because in this first one already. But it didn't happen. We got legs down again. Pretty simple stuff. I think we traded the right index. We traded the right trade. We just messed up just that tiny bit, and that's what we need to do. We need to iron out those little mistakes, which is completely doable. But pretty simple, clean price action today. 15-minute, well, hourly highs swept on one index, making that SMT. We got that 5-minute retrace candle up. NQ also got that 5-minute candle retrace up. And then we started seeing bullish confluences get disrespected, like this one. Bank, 1-minute break of structure. Whether we entered short off that one or off this one, if we were trading NQ, stop above. I'll probably put it there because that's where both the imbalances have been made. That candle base there. Target, data lows. Those lows, those lows. It was a day for shorts. Look at this. Jesus. It was, in fact, a day for shorts. And that's what we were looking for, which is a good job. We had that sweep. I'm happy with this trading week. I think it's been the first week or the second week implementing. Yeah, it's the second week implementing the fluidity model. Because if you remember, my previous strategy was like step by step by step. You must see a sweep. You must see a wave of structure. You must see a third confluence. You must see an SMT. Don't trade that SMT. It was really, really techie. Step by step guide, and I'm happy that I've got rid of that because I was forcing the steps. I was forcing the setup, and that is why we took loss, little win, lost the 100k challenge, spent the rest of the time away from the charts that week, got on the 50k demo, was nice and fluid, nice win, nice sensible discipline, no trading, took a win, stupid loss because we over risked as well, so risk management lesson there. Why did I take a second trade as well? But I don't really know. I'll have to reread that. I can't remember what happened. And then I was wild camping. And then this week we had a bank holiday on Monday. No trades on Tuesday. Just did not give what I was looking for at all. And I was sensible. I was disciplined. I was patient. I got off the charts when I needed to. Wednesday we had a win. After again that small loss on NQ. Really small loss. I don't know why I took it because NQ had just swept out small time frame highs, but ES had swept out high, so we should be waiting for a 15-minute retrace. Then we had news, legs up, boom, nice small trade on Wednesday. Thursday, our trade was setting up perfectly, and our trade happened as we left the charts for work, but we were right with our bias. And today we've had a nice winning trade. Just it's the small things that need to get ironed out. That is the path to profitability. Making your mistakes, learning from them, never happening again, ironing them out. And I think it's been a good 2 weeks trading this fluid model. So I'm happy. I say this now. I'm happy to go onto a challenge. I'm happy with where I'm at with being able to stay patient and disciplined and not force the trades. It's just the little mistakes that need to get ironed out, like placing the sensible stop loss, and then like Wednesday this week, just doing that stupid little trade. And I think I'm ready to try another top step 50k combine, which will be my third combine. I had my first 50k combine and I passed it, paid the activation fee, blew the funded in 2 days. I had a 100k combine. I was doing quite well. I had 4 losses in a row. And then I came back on the Monday, and emotion got the best of me, and I full ported the account and lost it. I had the rest of that week off. I had 2 weeks on demo, just being nice and fluid. The results from the demo, that was a losing week. We had 2 winning trades, and then we had a loss and a loss with it over risking 2.1%. That was just silly. I had a small loss on the first Wednesday trade. Made it back with the second Wednesday trade. Small loss today. Win today. Maybe I do another week. I'm not quite sure yet. What news do we have next week? CPI, PPI. I don't know. I will decide over the weekend whether I take a combine, whether I stay on demo for 1 more week. What do we have the week after that? Do I stay on demo till then? And then get a combine? There are some juicy weeks ahead of us, ladies and gentlemen. I'm unsure what to do. I will probably have a combine, if I'm honest, because I don't know whether I should, whether I shouldn't. I probably shouldn't. Probably stick till I've at least made 3k on this 3k on this account. But I'm happy with where my emotions are at right now. I'm happy with my journaling. I'm happy with my trading performance, even though the results aren't really there. It's just the small mistakes we got to iron out because we're having the wins, we're just not getting rid of the losses yet. That is a trade recap and a YAP session. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.